Hello everybody, Draylar here. Today we'll be looking at adding custom armor to the game. This will be roughly based off the Fabric Wiki tutorial on armor, although we'll kind of go at our own pace. So you can just follow along here if you'd like. Where to start? First thing we're going to do is create a armor material. Now, vanilla armor materials can be found in the armor materials class. And armor materials are an enum. It's a little bit of a strange system. So if you want to access vanilla materials for armor, you can just do armor materials dot, and then whatever material you want to have. But I'm going to do my own material. Now the problem is that the armor materials class by default is private. So we basically have to re-implement this class ourselves. So I'm going to drag this off the screen so I can just look at it myself. I'm going to create a new package called armor. We're going to do mod armor materials, which will implement armor material. I'm going to copy basically everything that happens in the main armor materials class. So now we can actually access the constructor. To go over things very quickly, base durability is multiplied by the armor's durability modifier. So these are the base values, and then an armor might have a modifier of 10, which would mean it would have 130 durability, 150, 160, 110. The name is used to get the texture of the armor. You can guess, we just talked about durability multiplier. Protection amounts, just how much each piece of armor protects. The enchantability is how good it is in an enchanting table. Generally, 0 is like you can't get anything, and 30 is like protection for Unbreaking 3 guarantee. Sound event is just when you click on the armor to equip it, what sound plays. Toughness, only diamond armor uses this mechanic. It's just an extra layer of protection, basically. And then the repair ingredient supplier is just an ingredient, which is basically an item stack that is used in an anvil to repair your armor. And I'm not going to rename these parameters because that would take a little bit. So then I'm going to do, let's copy how vanilla does it. So this can actually be an enum. You want this to be, yeah. We're going to do gunpowder. The durability multiplier will be the same as iron, which is 15. We'll have a new protection amount array. The protection is going to be the same as chain. It's going to be really bad armor. Like, you're not going to want to use this stuff. Enchantability is going to be same as diamond, so-so. Sound events. Creeper prime sound, just to make you scared every time you hear it. The toughness will be 0.1F just for fun. And then our ingredient supplier, got a comma there, we'll say return ingredient of items dot gunpowder. So we can repair it with gunpowder. And our custom material is now done. We can close out of mod armor materials. I'm going to create some armor items. Let's do that up here. Private static final item gunpowder helmet is equal to new armor item. Armor item takes in an armor material. So we're going to do mod armor materials dot gunpowder. Equipment slot is the head, because it's a helmet. And new item dot settings dot group. And then I'm just going to copy this for the other materials or pieces. Now we can just register this. gunpowder chest plate. Oops. We'll have leggings, boots, and gunpowder boots, gunpowder leggings, gunpowder chest plate. That should be all we need for registering it. Let's start our game up, see if it works. Our items are registered properly, as we can see from the model loading errors here. Should be in our custom tab. Yep, gunpowder boots, gunpowder leggings, chest plate, and helmet. And you can see they all have a toughness of 1 and the same armor values as chain. Now, let's probably add textures next. So, armor's a little bit confusing because the model used by armor, in this case, like Creeper Heart, is just what appears in the inventory. It's not what appears like on your character or anything. That's a little bit different. So I'm going to copy Creeper Heart and just do gunpowder helmet, gunpowder chest plate, gunpowder leggings, and gunpowder boots. Oops. And in item textures, let me find my custom textures here, which are just gunpowder block overlaid onto regular iron armor. And I can also add a translation to the armor items. Let's do chest plate, leggings, boots, gunpowder helmet, gunpowder chest plate, gunpowder leggings, and gunpowder boots. Let's start up our game. Looks like our model has worked, and the textures as well, because I'm not seeing any errors in log. And yep, we've got our gunpowder items. Now if we equip it, well, you can see what happens, and we're probably going to get a bunch, yeah. So, this area is a little bit weird, because it's actually slightly bugged. Basically, it searches for armor textures in the Minecraft namespace, because Minecraft, for whatever reason, just assumes it's always going to be in the Minecraft namespace. This is a bug that we're trying to work on in Fabric, but basically you have to add your armor textures as a resource pack under Minecraft, which is fine. But it's just missing texture for now. So I'm going to quit. We're going to go Assets. We're going to create the Minecraft directory. So we're basically now adding a resource pack directly to Minecraft. It's just that we're not overriding anything. Textures, models, armor. And then I have my 2 armor textures here. You have layer 1 and layer 2 prefixed by the name of your armor material. And you can find more stuff on this in the Minecraft assets zip file in your game directory. You can just unzip it and check out how Minecraft does things. I just copied these directly from Minecraft assets and retextured them a little bit. And as you can see, our textures worked. We now have gunpowder armor, which is pretty useless because it's pretty bad and it costs a lot of gunpowder, which you probably won't have till late game anyways. next tutorial we'll look at adding a bit of fun functionality to our custom armor through mixins. So look forward to that. See you later.